Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're checking out the lineup of Chromoly axle shafts from Yukon Gear and Axle. They offer a wide variety of different Chromoly axle shafts to fit many popular axle options found underneath your Wrangler or Gladiator. To check out the full lineup of available Chromoly shafts, you can click the info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Now today specifically we're taking a look at two examples here on the table. I have their Dana 30 and 35 axle shafts, otherwise known as the M186 and M200 axles, found underneath the newest Jeep Wrangler JL Sport. Chromoly axle shafts are going to be superior to the factory axle shafts that came in your Jeep in terms of torsion and tensile strength, especially if you've upgraded your Jeep with a larger tire package or you planned on spending much more time off-road tackling tougher trails and harder obstacles. Chromoly axle shafts will give you the confidence you need so that you don't have to worry about spinning a spline or snapping an axle shaft while you're out on the trails, ruining a day of fun. Now these Chromoly shafts from Yukon Gear and Axle are forged from 4340 alloy that's heat treated for extreme strength and durability. 4340 is composed of a nickel chromium molybdenum alloy that boasts extremely high fatigue resistance, strength, and corrosion resistance. Now we take a look at the rear axle shafts first. We see they do feature a dual drill design. It's going to give you the flexibility of running either a 5-on-5 or a 5-on-5.5 bolt pattern. They do feature a 29 spline count. And these splines are a premium rolled style spline, which is going to offer a 30% increase in strength over a more traditional factory style cut spline count. Now if we take a look at the front axle shafts, again we're going to see that same premium rolled style spline. This time we have a 27 spline count to go with that Dana 30 or M186 front axle. These are compatible with the strong Spicer 1350 style U-joints, and one other benefit you'll get with going with a Chromoly front axle shaft set from Yukon Gear and Axle is you can see this does feature a single piece passenger side front axle shaft that eliminates that factory two-piece design with that front axle disconnect system, thereby eliminating a potential weak link in the system, again, to give you the confidence you need so that you can have fun out on the trails without worrying about a breakdown. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a set of Chromoly axle shafts from Yukon Gear and Axle for your Jeep, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the axle shafts, you can always do this for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys on the trail.